If you're looking for a budget mic that doesn't sound like a budget mic and you also don't want to deal with any more cables, we might have found the perfect solution. Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Paula, and today we're going to be checking out the Maono PD100W, a USB-C dynamic microphone that's also wireless. Before I begin, I want to say thank you to our friends at Maono for sending us the PD100W to test out. This is the first time I've seen a mic of this kind, so as someone who really struggles with cable management and is also someone that frequently makes changes to their desk setup, a mic like this definitely piqued my interest. So let's test this thing out, and I'll break down what I liked, what I didn't like, and find out whether this is something that your setup needs. So we have here the desktop version, as you can see from the box here. So let's open it up. So you got a little bit of instructions here. You can use it on your computer, mobile phone. You can use it both wired and also wireless. So here we have a few more instructions on how to do that. USB-C cable, of course, if you need to use that. Some rings as well, depending on the size of your boom arm or the mic stand, in case you want to use a different one. And we got the little base for the mic stand. Pretty solid. Top is made of a plastic material, but it still has pretty decent weight to it. And then of course you have the main microphone. So this is what it looks like, the PD100. Okay, so very lightweight. That is my first impression on this. Is pretty lightweight. More plastic material on the outer shell. At a glance, you have the dial here for your gain, as well as your mute and unmute button, which appears to be a touch. And here on the bottom, we have the ports. So you have the headphone jack, as well as the USB-C if you need to use it. But again, this being wireless, this is just an option. Taking this off, this is what the body of the actual mic looks like. It has an adapter included as well if you need that, USB-A, USB-C, and then of course the receiver. So small and compact, but this is going to be important. This is the one we're going to make sure to keep an eye on. So the PD100W is a wireless and USB-C dynamic microphone. You can use it wirelessly with the little USB receiver, or just plug it in with USB-C if you want zero hassle. It's designed for users who are streamers, maybe using it for chatting on Discord, or basically any project that requires you to have professional audio without the need to have an audio interface or a complicated setup. One thing I do want to call out early is the pricing. On Amazon, there are two versions of this microphone. You can get the desk stand version for about $51 or the boom arm version for around $67. And honestly, the boom arm bundle is a great steal because for the price of the mic and the arm, it is basically almost as much as what an arm sells for right now. So if you're starting from scratch, this is probably the version you'd want to grab. Setup on the PD100 is honestly super easy. You just plug it into your computer, it recognizes it, and you should be able to plug and play right away. No drivers needed unless you want to use Maono software, which is totally optional. Though I do want to call out the app early as well. Even though it's optional, if you have a couple minutes to spare to set it up, it is definitely worth it as it opens up more features for you to take advantage of with this mic. We'll get into that a little bit more later. What sets this mic apart from other mics we've tried in the past is that it is truly wireless. That means fewer cables on your desk and a little more flexibility in how you set things up. Battery life is rated at 40 hours, which is honestly so great for the price. And it also gives you a lot more time to finish projects before needing a charge. Primarily, it is just going to be living on my PC setup, so this will probably be my gaming mic. However, this has offered me lots of flexibility. Now I'm not tied to my desk. I'm obviously right here in this side of my room, so it's been really nice to have this option without having to hold a little lapel mic. I know some of you guys have asked me, why do you hold this lapel mic so close to your face instead of just, clipping it onto your clothes or something? So this is another option, and I'm excited to hear what you guys think about the sound quality. On top of that, of course, this mic has its own gain adjustment, and I am speaking with a little bit more of a strained voice right now since I am still recovering from a long-term cough that I've been trying to fight. So this is a good time to test out amplification of the mic. Maybe for someone who's a bit more soft-spoken, they would need to have something that picks up their voice more without having to be really close to the mic. Although this is dynamic and it is ideal for you to talk just a few inches away from the mic, I feel like it still has a pretty decent amplification. It sounds very natural, very organic, not super bassy or hype, perfect for most uses, and you can still tweak it in the Maono Link app. So if you want more control and also tap into the other features that the PD100W offers, the Maono Link app is going to be essential. Obviously, here we have Maono Link launched and it recognizes the mic that I'm using, which is the PD100W. So you're just going to click that. And then here in the app, you get to control the gain, volume, the headphone volume, which is everything that you pretty much can control on the mic as well, but you can also do it on the interface. You can also do a test recording here, which I think is really cool. There's a volume meter just to control obviously how loud it's picking up your sound. It also has noise cancellation. I didn't even realize this has aggressive as defaulted, so we're gonna go with slight. So just a slight noise cancellation. I don't have a lot of noise going on around me right now, but I do have my PC not too far away with the fans going, and it's pretty much all the background noise that you're going to hear in the room. Here's moderate noise cancellation, so that could also maybe deafen a bit more of that background noise. And of course we had the aggressive, which is what we've been using. As far as scenes, here you can actually change the equalizers, which is awesome. We have it just as flat original. You can also do a gaming mode to change a little bit of the highs and the lows, stream mode, and I am going to show you a really fun one, which is sing. So you should probably hear my voice reverberating by now, which I think is pretty cool if you are into audio recording some singing. This is going to be really cool. As you can imagine, you can obviously customize this to your liking as well, but these are some presets for you. And lastly, we have the light settings. I have it at loop because I changed it on the mic. You can also do fixed and just have one color. You can have it be breathing. And of course, you can also just turn it completely off. But yeah, so just in a nutshell, this is what the Maono Link can do for you. Also, it's available on your phone as well. So you can control it, again, mobile instead of just a desktop, depending on where you are planning on using this. Since it is wireless, it gives you all of that flexibility. Now let's talk a little bit more about how the wireless flexibility is. How this works is we have a receiver that is paired with the PD100, which allows you to have USB-C connection. So right now, the way I'm doing this is actually connected to my PC, which I am doing a sound recording as I'm talking to you guys. If you wanted to connect the wireless mic directly on the camera, there is a receiver, it's called a TRS receiver, that allows you to connect it directly to the camera, which we do have on the PD200W, and that one does seem to work directly onto the camera. So I'm not sure if that's a limitation on the PD100. I feel like that is an option, but we couldn't figure it out. So with that said though, that receiver is USB-C. So as you can imagine, it is also compatible with your phone. And I did test this out with my iPhone using this as a mic just on the sound recording. And it did pick up my voice and it was awesome because I can imagine the many uses that I can do higher quality voice recording if I ever needed that. That is something that I can use on my phone. Really quickly too, you might notice the shape of the PD100W might be a little bit familiar. And my first thought was when I opened this is that it looks very similar to the Fine AM8, which is also a dynamic mic, I believe. And a lot of you guys really like that mic that we've reviewed in the past, but this is also a very, very close design comparison to that. The difference is the AM8 is a USB-C and XLR, while this is only a USB-C, but it's also wireless. But if you do want XLR connection, Maono does have the PD200W, which has both USB-C and XLR, and is also wireless. So it's basically the upgraded version. Bottom line, the PD100W is a really great option for someone who is in a budget, but also looking for a high quality wireless mic. The sound quality is solid, it's easy to use, and it keeps your setup clean. Whether you're at your desk, or maybe you're mobile, or maybe you're like me who likes to pop around in different places in the house, This is definitely going to offer you the most flexibility in doing that while keeping your audio quality consistent. So if that's what you're after, I think you'll be pretty happy with this one. And that's all I have for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and gear related videos on the channel. Once again, thank you to our friends at Maono for sending us the PD100 to test out. If you want to learn more about them, you can check them out at the link in the description down below. As always, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.